Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Apple ID in your Android mobile. So open the Google and search the iCloud, then scroll down and tap here the website iCloud. Then tap the signing option and create the Apple account, tap here. Then enter your first name and last name and country selected and the birth date and the name and your password and confirm password and country option like India 291 and your phone number and signing option like process. Okay, so I fill the all information and tap the continue option and enter the OTP like send your email address and click on the continue option and enter the OTP, send your mobile number and continue, and you can see your Apple account is created. You check the all information like you share the photo, video and other document. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.